Are you looking to restructure your property? Are you worried about finding your next dream home? Well, let me tell you a story of how I helped two brothers sell one and buy two. The brothers first approached me in December 2020. They have been living in the same condo unit for the past 18 years. Now, they are 60 years old and they want to look for their own homes to retire to. However, do they have the money to do so? Let's go over the facts. The brothers are 60 years old, meaning they are not able to utilize 100% of their CPF amount unless they have met the CPF basic minimum sum for their retirement. The condo is fully paid off. Well, that's a blessing for retirement. They wish to eliminate the condo maintenance fee that they need to pay every month. They want to retire in their own respective homes in a HDB flat where it's closer to amenities and transport options as well, which means they will be selling one condo to purchase two HDB. The first thing I did was to help them weigh their options. Looking at the past transaction for Clementi Park, I know I could get a selling price of close to 2 million. From there, it was all basic maths. From a sale price of 2 million, we will first need to check their CPF plus accrued interest. Brother 1 will get a refund of 525,000, while Brother 2 will get a refund of 355,000, which brings us to a total CPF refund of 880,000. Next, we have to deduct the legal fees of approximately 3,000 and the agent's fees, which is based on 2% plus GST of 42,800. This brings us to a total of $1,074,200 as an estimated cash proceeds that brothers will receive. Next is the purchase of their HDB flats. Brother 1 wanted a smaller HDB, so he went for a 3-room HDB flat with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Brother 2 prefers to have a little more space and went for a 4-room HDB flat with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Ultimately, Brother 1 needs to pay approximately 300,000 for his 3-room flat and Brother 2 needs to pay approximately 480,000 for his 4-room flat. Let's talk about Brother 1 first. For a 3-room HDB flat at 300,000, there are additional costs such as stamp duty of 3,006. Fortunately, as he has CPF refund of 525,000, he paid most of it using CPF. However, there is a 5,000 deposit which has to be paid in cash through the seller. As for the other cash payment, there is a HDB valuation fee of $120, HDB registration fee of $80, HDB legal fees of approximately $300, and the agent fee based on 1% commission plus GST of $3,210. So total cash payment stands at $8,710. Next is Brother 2. For a 4-room HDB flat at $480,000, there are additional costs such as stamp duty of $9,000. As mentioned earlier, most of this can be paid with CPF. Minus the 5,000 deposit, which has to be paid in cash to the seller. In this case, however, as the CPF refund was 355,000, the balance amount of 134,000 will need to be topped up in cash. As for the other cash payment, there is a HDB valuation fee of $120, HDB registration fee of $80, HDB legal fees of approximately $400, and the agent fee based on 1% commission plus GST, $5,136. So total cash payment stands at $149,736. In order to facilitate a smooth sales and purchase process, I plan to sell the condo with a request for a 2-month extend stay after the sales completion. The estimated sales completion will be in end June, but physically they will only move out in end August. We managed to sell the condo by March 2021 and started to view HDB flats in April. We secured both HDB flats purchased at the end of the same month. Including renovation, they can move in around early August. Just as I predicted, as of August 2021, the brothers has officially moved in their new homes. I hope you managed to follow my story. If you are still worried about restructuring your assets, don't hesitate. Let me be your listening ear, your confidant, and planner. Plus, I'm willing to take the extra challenge to achieve the best possible price for you. This is IVU from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.